my 74 C10. It used to be an old work truck and looked like crap. And while it still kind of looks like crap, now it absolutely rips. Here's a 10-minute video on how it got to this point. So this is my 1974 Chevy C10. I originally picked this up with the intention on building a cool, daily drivable street truck. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get this distributor off, we're gonna get the carb off. Engine and trans is out. This was a motherfucker. Ah, yeah, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, this just in. We're giving you the chance to win Boomhauer. Starting today. For every single dollar that's spent today, Tuesday the 14th, gets you twice the entries into the giveaway. And another thing, every single dollar you spend at Carcane Supply gets you entered in to win. I bet you didn't even know we had a parts company. Now, does that sound ridiculous?
Absolutely.
Do you want to be the chop king of your neighborhood? Head on over to Hoonigan.com/giveaway for more information. It's ready to start assembling the front suspension. We got this coilover kit from QA1. I'm really stoked on this. I mean, dude, these lower control arms are f***ing heavy. These guys, that's maybe 10 pounds. The actual meat and potatoes of these coilovers, these guys are so small. All right, so we got everything in. Overall, looks f***ing sick. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, here we go. Got the line coming up to the rail so we can get everything else kind of buttoned up and then keep moving. Got the spindles, rotors, and calipers all on, mounted up, and it looks super clean. And it's so much lighter, and it just looks so tight in there. Today we're gonna be tackling that rear suspension from QA1. All right, this looks sick. Super trick stuff. Now I just gotta figure out how to adjust it all. You know how to do that, Mike?
Nope,
Oh, okay, well, we'll probably contact some professionals over at QA1 to make sure I don't screw this up. But looks sick. Pretty simple to install. Everything's super clean. Looking forward to ripping in this thing. Hell yeah, bros. This is a set of boom tubes off of a stock car. We want to try to get this thing to fit on the C10. I've got Mr. Mullet motherfucking Mike in the building to help me out.
Welcome to 550.
So that last run, you locked up the converter. We bumped the
Rev limiter out to 68, 67-ish. The motor's still full and strong at 6,800. It'd probably go to 72.
Nice, I like this. So here we go, 545.52 and 473 pounds of torque. That's right, we got old Blue back on the lift. We got some really rad stuff that came in. Got this sick QA1 carbon fiber drive shaft. Secondly, we're finally gonna throw a rear sway bar on this thing because I never put one on. I know what you're thinking, it's an old truck. It probably doesn't need a carbon fiber drive shaft, and you're probably right, but you know what? It's a big flex piece, and that's what we're all about here. Okay, sway bar is in. Just gotta adjust it a little bit, but we are good to go on this. Now I just gotta get the drive shaft bolted up and we're good to go. Bam! Looking sleek, fresh as
I was not expecting that, I'll be honest with you. Yo, this thing is a monster. Boomhauer lives up to the name.
I breathed in so much smoke that I threw up on my shirt.